Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter Office error with the error codes 30015-26 or 30015-45, which looks something like this, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the disk cleanup tool. Simply search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open the application. Now check all the boxes in this list, each and every one of them, and click on OK. Then click on delete files and wait for a few minutes for the disk cleanup utility to clean up the files. The second solution is to repair Microsoft Office. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select installed apps. Wait for the list to load. Now scroll down to Microsoft 365 and click on the three dots associated with it. Click on modify. This will open a certain window. Select online repair, click on repair and then click on repair once again. The last solution is to use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. Now this is a tool that can be downloaded from the link provided in this article. After downloading this tool, you can open this tool, then click on Office and Office apps and then select next. Now select the problem. For example, our problem is that we are encountering an error while installing it. So I'll select the first option and then I'll click on next. Then I'll select yes for affected machine. I'll click on next. It will need a few seconds for each and every step and you will have to log into your Microsoft account. Then click on next. Enter your password and then click on sign in. I'll have to verify it, so I'll click on verification method as my phone and then I'll enter the phone number and then I'll click on send code. Now I'll have to wait till I get the code on my phone and then I will enter that code. I will verify the code and it will start fixing the problem in a few minutes. If this tool fixes the problem, well and good. If not, you can contact Microsoft support directly. In my case, it gave a red tick, which means that the problem was solved. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.